Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface where molten rock, ash, and gases escape from below the Earth's crust. They can form on land or under the ocean and are typically found at tectonic plate boundaries. If you enjoy this video about volcanoes, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about volcanoes. The molten rock that erupts from a volcano is called magma when it's underground and lava once it reaches the surface. Volcanoes can be active, dormant, or extinct, depending on their eruption history. There are different types of volcanoes, including shield, cinder cone, and stratovolcanoes, each with unique shapes and eruption styles. Shield volcanoes have gentle slopes and produce low-viscosity lava that can flow over long distances. Cinder cone volcanoes are smaller with steep slopes and erupt explosively, throwing ash and volcanic rocks called cinders into the air. Stratovolcanoes, or composite volcanoes, have layers of lava and ash and can produce powerful, explosive eruptions. Volcanoes can create various landforms and features, such as calderas, which are large depressions formed after an eruption empties the magma chamber, causing the ground to collapse. Lava flows can create new land and islands, while volcanic ash can improve soil fertility by adding nutrients. Volcanic eruptions can also trigger natural events like tsunamis, landslides, and earthquakes. The Ring of Fire is a region around the Pacific Ocean with a high concentration of volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. This area is home to about 75% of the world's active volcanoes. One of the most famous volcanoes is Mount Vesuvius in Italy, which erupted in AD 79 and buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under ash and pumice. Volcanoes are monitored by scientists called volcanologists, who study their activity to predict eruptions and help keep people safe. Instruments like seismographs detect earthquakes that often precede eruptions, while gas sensors measure volcanic gases like sulfur dioxide. Thermal cameras can detect changes in temperature around a volcano, indicating potential eruptions. Lava can be extremely hot, reaching temperatures between 700 and 1200 degrees Celsius. Despite its destructive power, lava can also create new land and even islands over time. The Hawaiian Islands were formed by volcanic activity, with Mauna Loa being one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Volcanic eruptions can produce stunning visual displays, such as lava fountains, glowing lava flows, and dramatic ash plumes. However, they can also be dangerous, releasing toxic gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which can harm humans and animals. Ash from volcanic eruptions can disrupt air travel by damaging airplane engines and reducing visibility. Supervolcanoes are a type of volcano capable of producing the largest and most devastating eruptions. One of the most well-known supervolcanoes is located in Yellowstone National Park in the United States. An eruption from a supervolcano could have widespread effects on climate and life on Earth. Volcanoes on other planets and moons, like Mars and Jupiter's moon Io, show that volcanic activity is not unique to Earth. These extraterrestrial volcanoes can provide clues about the geological history and potential for life on other worlds. Hotspots are areas where plumes of hot mantle material rise to the surface, creating volcanoes away from tectonic plate boundaries. The Hawaiian Islands and the Galapagos Islands are examples of volcanic islands formed by hotspots. Volcanic eruptions can create various rock types, including basalt, andesite, and rhyolite, depending on the composition of the magma. Volcanoes can have significant cultural and mythological importance in many societies. For example, the ancient Romans believed that Vulcan, the god of fire, lived under Mount Etna, an active volcano in Sicily. Some volcanic eruptions have had global impacts, such as the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815, which led to the year without a summer due to the volcanic ash and gases blocking sunlight and cooling the Earth's climate. Volcanic islands, like those in Hawaii, are often biodiversity hotspots, home to unique plant and animal species. Some volcanic areas have geothermal activity, where heat from the Earth's interior creates hot springs, geysers, and fumaroles. These features can be harnessed for geothermal energy, a renewable resource used for heating and electricity. Volcanic ash can preserve plant and animal remains, providing valuable information for scientists studying past ecosystems and climates. Volcanoes also play a role in the carbon cycle, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which is balanced by the weathering of volcanic rocks that remove carbon dioxide from the air over long periods. Understanding volcanoes is important for mitigating their hazards and making the most of their benefits, such as fertile soils and geothermal energy. Volcanoes remind us of the dynamic nature of our planet and the powerful forces that shape its surface. By studying volcanoes, scientists can learn more about the Earth's interior and the processes that drive its continual evolution. If you enjoyed this video about volcanoes, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.